If there's one thing I get asked more than anything else, it's what is the best drone for a beginner? Now, I'm not 100% sure which one is the best, but I definitely have found one which could pique your interest. It's under 250 grams and packs a bunch of features.
I said, give me a reason why I should take it or leave it. Why don't you just give me a reason why I should take it.
This is the Potensic ATOM. Now I've got the Fly More pack and I'll show you what you get in the box a little bit later in the video, but for now, let's head down to my local beach.
It's a little breezy today, but I think it's nothing that this thing shouldn't handle.
Now I say that because on the box it says it has the trademarked powerful Surgefly flight control system, which gives you level 5 wind resistance, so it's got to be decent, right? Now, to be fair to the powerful Surge flight control system, or whatever it's called, it wasn't half bad. But one thing I do want to check out is actually how noisy this thing is going to be when it's flying.
Because I hate annoying people around me. I'm sure no one enjoys the sound of like a large humming bee in their ear. I like to find spots which are empty. I like to have drones that don't make a lot of noise and are not too intrusive. But that's just me. Maybe you're the super annoying person out there who loves doing that. I am definitely not one of those.
But first things first, let's get this thing in the air. And I have to say, it was pretty easy to start up for the very first time.
Doesn't sound too bad. I'll bring it a little bit closer. I think that sounds pretty good. Let's bring it in front. Woo. All right, so that sounds pretty good from like literally, like I don't want to stick my hand out any further. It's very much right in front of me, but it sounds pretty good. Doesn't sound too loud. It's a little bit of that high-pitched noise, but with all these small drones, you're going to get that anyway.
And pretty much once you get about 10 to 15 meters away, you can't even hear it at all.
Let's fly it out to the ocean.